Every time I forget my homework, my teacher goes on and tells me off that I forget it. So now I've learned to prepare my bag the night before I go to school.
Sometimes you just have to let your kids fail, even if it hurts to watch as a parent. But that's the only way they really do truly learn. Noah, why don't you show us the basic items you carry in your school bag?
So this is a folder which it's a division based on my subjects, which are, as you can see.
What do you put in there?
What I put in here, I put the homework, some paperwork that I've needed to do for school.
Okay. What's next?
What's next is my pencil case. Basically, I have some colored pencils, 2 pencils, and an eraser and a sharpener. But I don't have the eraser here. This is my school diary. It basically, I have a diary, and it basically tells me, what I have on what day, and I basically prepare my textbooks based on the subjects I have. This is a Chromebook. I use this for work that we do on Google Docs, where it's easier to write and stuff. We also use spreadsheets and slides. My Oyster and my wallet. Well, firstly, my Oyster, I use it to travel around on the bus or train. My wallet, because in case I need some money, I have it there. And my water bottle, to have a drink in class or whenever I need some water. And lastly, my backpack. It's very different and unique, so it's easy to swap from pretty much anywhere.
So, Noah, when do you start getting your school bag ready?
Every night, without fail, my mom comes and tells me, have you prepared your bag yet? And I never really have. So then I go downstairs and prepare my bag for the next morning, so I have everything ready. I start by looking at my timetable and seeing what I have throughout the day. Then I prepare my textbooks for the subjects I have. And then I make sure I have all my homework in my bag ready for the next day. Oh, and my Chromebook, of course. I need that in case we're gonna do some group work. And then in the morning, I put my water bottle and my snack in my bag so I can have something to eat at break time.
What about the afternoon when you come back from school?
Well, then I have to take my water bottle and my snack box out and put it in the sink. Then I have to check my diary for all the homework I have.
Oh, Noah, I'm so proud of you. Oh, you're still there. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. I love it when you come and say hi on my social media platforms. Just follow the links here on the screen. Bye. Until next time.